Jam in the Van, the world's first and only solar powered studio on wheels, asked bands to show us inside the vehicles they spend their lives in so we could get the dirt on and off their rides. This is Tour Bus Tours. This is Sputnik and Jam in the Van at Lake Travis in beautiful Austin, Texas on the Tour Bus Tour series with our partners in shine, Odor-X. I'm with the monsters. Yeah, Drac and the Swamp Rats. And we're gonna clean their tour van. First of all, gentlemen, check this out. I'm the guy for you because I was born on Halloween.
Thank you for cleaning the van.
Oh man, this is cool. Now, when you got together, how'd you gather them all?
We actually have a song about that. It's
okay.
If I might plug our singles we just put out.
Oh, please.
No, you know, I just put out an ad on Craigslist saying I'm looking for some monsters.
That's right.
Yeah, and then I got Igor over here.
Igor, man.
To build this man.
Man, what music do you guys listen to when you're roaming around looking for places to play your music?
Gregorian chants a lot.
Gosh. I like Babs. I've been getting into Streisand.
Oh, Streisand, okay. Yeah, I'm talking about feel good. Man, this is a feel good interview. You guys feel me? Did you listen to a podcast?
Podcast.
Oh yeah? Yeah, Drac?
Yeah, I have an iPhone.
Yeah, oh, man, you modern.
You gotta stay up to date. We
Man,
have an Instagram. We're a band. You know what it's like.
Everybody wants to know, what does a monster eat on a tour on the road?
Right now, Texans.
Oh, Texan. Barbecue?
Well, no, Texans.
Oh,
Because we're in Texas.
Texan.
But we were in Las Vegas a couple nights ago and we had a few of them and that was good.
Okay. Man, it's packed in here. Any bones?
There's some bones in there, yeah.
Oh, man.
I saw some back there.
This is like a museum. What's up?
We told him we were coming up to see you guys.
You
and
know me?
He was a big fan, yeah, apparently.
Where you from?
Let's see, where did he say? He said, oh God, please. No.
Yeah, I'm trying to say something.
Yeah, I didn't like get his
All right,
Instagram.
man. I'll get back with you. There we
Igor's
go.
gonna stay in there.
Igor, here's your bag, man. Man, he almost bit me. When Wolfman goes to the bathroom, we have this odor killer that'll get rid of any odor. Check this out. Bam. Open it up. It's easy. I don't want to scare you, okay? It's cool. And then, man, you shut this, and it smells good in there. Just check it out. Man!
He smells so good.
I'm rolling with him. They like the Odor-X. People say, it's the monster van. You jump out real quick, you wipe it, and you clean it up real quick and say, not me. It's not the monster van. See, look. He's like, right.
Not me!
Odor-X. Leave no fingerprints remaining.
You want us to get rid of the spider web?
That'd be awesome.
All right, no problem. I have a team. They can get rid of a lot of stuff.
Odor-X, quick and easy exterior one, waterless wash and wax. Let's see if it works on blood.
Please don't bite me, baby.
Okay.
All right.
I was about to.
Oh, man, thank you so much. All right, everybody. So just log on to Jam in the Van and Odor-X and follow us on the Tour Bus Tour series. Follow Dracula in the Swamp Rats. I don't know where the Wolfman is because I like dogs. I'm very disappointed that he's not here.
I don't know where he is.
We pulled over and he ran off into the woods.
So if you will please send us your own interpretations, not of a monster, fan, but how you do it in your vehicle, because they do it in a way that I can say nobody else does. I'm fitting a party with the monsters. I've been trying to do this for a long time, so, all right? Please. Let's let them take a photo. Come on, man. Come here, baby boy. Uh-huh. Boom. What's up?
Sun go down, you better